Hi guys, and happy Sunday. On today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about that time of the year for me. That season when I am ready to do something drastic to myself and to others. I'm going to talk to you about that in a few seconds. So guys, let me show you something. See these scissors right here? I was about to start whacking in my hair. I got my comb here and my scissors. And the reason why I'm bringing this to you guys' attention is because I had to stop myself. I had to stop myself because I said, you need to take a break right quick and think about the time of year when you feel like this. And the reason why I say this is because remember last year when I posted a video called most people won't tell you, no, it's called Most Naturals Won't Tell You That They Don't Like Their Nappy Hair? Yeah. I said, let me go back and check the date on that because I remember it being around this time of the year, and sure enough, I posted that video on August 11th, 2017. That was a year ago. I'm going to tell you something else too. I big chopped my hair in August of 2002. I think it was like August the 9th or August the 8th. It was on a Thursday. I cut my hair down really, really short, and I'll try to post one of my pictures of my hair when it was short, but it wasn't, the picture won't be the original style, or the original cut I had, but I cut my hair all the way down really, really little, and the picture you'll see my hair is probably around 3 or 4 months later after I did that big chop. And even then, I had did 1 or 2 cuts right after I did my big chop. So I got the big chop in August of 2002, and then I did another cut. I think it was just 1 cut, 1 or 2 cuts. But anyway, the other cut was right before Christmas, December 2002. Okay, so I said something is not right. Take a look at and see what's going on. And the reason I got these scissors out, baby, because I was going to start whacking off these little ugly edges. So you guys know that I've been, treating these edges and babying them because I had some tree braids and the braider braided my hair too tight and end up balding, breaking, and turned my hair out of my head. So my hair has been growing back because I've been treating it since 2015 for the last 3 years. So I said, I'm gonna get these scissors and I'm gonna cut this hair down. And I said, don't cut it, cut it. Don't cut it, cut it. And I just be like, ugh. And even this week at work, I was okay up until Friday. I had a meltdown. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna hurt somebody. I feel like I want to hurt somebody around this time of the year too. And this girl was tailgating me on the highway yesterday. Baby, let me tell you something. I flipped out on that chick so hard. She kept her head straight. They say when somebody is having road rage or feeling angry on the road, don't look at them. And that chick knew not to look at me because you want me to chase you down and cuss you out? Because I was cussing out in my rearview mirror like, you better get off my MF tail, and I fall back because I'm not in that state of mind. Okay, so I'm saying that to say this. I don't need to be cutting my hair. For one thing, it's because these edges are still blooming. They're still growing in. So if I cut this down, and this is still growing out right here, and eventually have to cut that down to catch up with this and this. So I said, just lay back for a minute. You don't have to cut them. Just lay back on this round because I've cut them a few times. You can see right here. I'll show you. I cut him down. See, look how this hair is just missing right here. It's just a big old gape of gapping missing hair because this is still short. But I cut this like in 2015 or maybe it's 2016 or 17. I don't know. But me still cutting them and my hair is still blooming and growing, it's not going to really make any much sense. So what I'm going to do is just lay back because I'm just in this season and right now I just feel like cutting something. And since I realized that, I said don't cut them. Just let them bloom some more, let them grow off some more. Because I even got some little bitty short hair here growing. This girl, I mean, she ripped my hair straight up out of my head like sauerkraut or something. Girl, don't start cussing. So, yeah, so let me tell you what else I've been doing this week. I've been cutting and shaving and snipping and everything. I've been cutting nose hairs and armpit hairs and cooter mama hairs, leg hairs, everything. I just been wanting to cut my hair. And next thing you know, I was up to my head. I said, oh no, stop. Check out and see what's going on. So this is the season where I change. And I'm like, well, what makes me want to change like that at this season? And I think my brain works like the seasons. When the summertime comes, I'm thinking this way. When it's getting close to fall, my brain starts transitioning over to fall. And I know when the seasons change, I want to change my hair. And then like when the fall comes, I want to cut my hair. I said, no cutting, no hair. Leave those edges alone. Just keep treating them and let them grow out a little bit more. A little bit more. And a little bit more. And then go back. Because eventually I'm going to have to probably cut the front of my hair to give it a cute style so this can blend in. Because it's not going to make any sense to have this long hair and this short hair. But then again, it ain't got to make sense. It could just look crazy for all I care. So, and another thing about changing the season, I realized that my weight fluctuates around this time of the year. So I picked up a lot of weight, guys. I think I picked up like 20 pounds since March. And that's because I was transitioning and trying to do a different job, and I haven't had a regular schedule, and I'm on this early schedule, which I don't rock with too much. I'm just kind of off. So usually at this time of year, my brain say, cut stuff off, push people back before you hurt them, and get your body together. And I said, you better not do nothing. So yeah, guys, so I want to talk to you guys about that. Do you ever feel yourself changing when the seasons change, or if a regular event comes around the same time of the year? Do you find yourself doing some things? Have you even noticed it? And if it wasn't for videos, I tell you something. YouTube, I say this all the time. Sometimes in my videos, YouTube has really it keeps me up with myself. Now, had I not posted that video last year, I would never made the connection this year. Every year around this time, even in 2016, I look back at that video. I think I posted that video in September of 2016. I was ready to quit my job. I was ready to hurt somebody then. So I said today, stop. When you get to this point in your life, don't do anything, because it's just a momentarily thing. It's a transition that you're making, and you're taking it out on yourself, and then you're trying to take it out on other people, because that girl was gonna get it yesterday. Keep on right up on my core. I got something for you. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I've been for the last couple of weeks. I haven't been really in the mood to make any videos, and it's just that time of year. It's that season. Now watch, when September comes and October, that's when you'll see me make more videos. So I know I slow down in the summertime posting videos, but I think that's just my season. I think it's just my season that I just don't post as much. I think it's my season to post when the months get more colder, and I'm a seasonal chick, not trick, can't say that word, but yeah, I'm a seasonal trick. All right, so we're gonna leave these edges alone. We're just gonna keep treating them. Look at this here. I ain't letting no other cow be in my freaking head no more. Get out of my head. And I'm not gonna cut my hair, and I'm gonna stay out of my own head. It'll blow over, Nezi. It will blow over. Alright, so guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you can tell me if you have your seasons and your time of the year too, let me know. Because I know some women like to have babies and get pregnant around the same time of the year. Why did I just say that? Anyway, have a good Sunday. Bye.